Dealing with maggots infesting your outdoor garbage can be a repulsive and unsightly problem. However, fear not. With a few simple steps, you can effectively eliminate these unwanted visitors and prevent their return. In this guide, we'll explore practical and eco-friendly methods to ensure your garbage can stay maggot-free. Regular cleaning. The first line of defense against maggots is to maintain a clean and sanitary garbage can. Rinse the can regularly with a mixture of water and a mild detergent. This helps remove any food residue that might attract flies and their larvae. 2. Use trash bags. Double bagging your trash can be an effective barrier against maggots. Ensure your garbage bags are sturdy and securely tied to prevent any leaks that may attract flies. Opt for trash bags with added strength and odor control features. 3. Keep lids secure. A tightly sealed lid is crucial in preventing flies from laying their eggs in your garbage. Invest in a garbage can with a secure lid and make sure it fits snugly to eliminate potential entry points for flies. 4. Employ natural repellents. Citrus peels, vinegar, and essential oils like mint, eucalyptus, or citronella act as natural maggot repellents. Scatter these items at the bottom of your garbage can or mix them with water and spray the interior to deter flies from laying eggs. 5. Diatomaceous earth. This natural and non-toxic substance is lethal to maggots, but harmless to humans and pets. Sprinkle diatomaceous earth in and around your garbage can to create a protective barrier against maggots. 6. Boiling water. For an immediate solution, pouring boiling water over maggots can effectively eliminate them. Exercise caution and wear protective gear to avoid burns. Summary: keeping your outdoor garbage can maggot-free involves a combination of preventive measures and swift solutions. Regular cleaning, using quality trash bags, securing lids, employing natural repellents, and incorporating diatomaceous earth are effective strategies. Choose the methods that best suit your preferences and lifestyle to maintain a clean and pest-free garbage can. Remember, a proactive approach is key to preventing maggot infestations. By implementing these methods, you can bid farewell to maggots and enjoy a cleaner, more hygienic outdoor waste disposal experience. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.